Yo, so it looks like after all, we will be getting a shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Let's go ahead and talk about it in today's video, man. All right, guys, man, thanks for tapping into the video. Now that I got y'all attention, bro, y'all heard it's a shock drop over these guys right here. I kind of want to clear up the video I made the other day. So the other day, I presented to you guys, what if Nike did not shock drop the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined? What would that look like? What would that mean? And a lot of y'all took that the wrong way. I don't know how, but if you watched the video, I was trying to, put out there, what if Nike don't shock drop anything? Because we haven't heard anything concrete, nothing solid, and it hasn't even been near any other of the shock drops we have been getting. Because typically, like for instance, Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, like everybody knew when they were shock dropping like 2 or 3 weeks before what's happening. You seen people making videos, you seen people talking about it on Twitter, Instagram, and stuff like that. And it was not the same surrounding these Air Jordan 4 Breds right here, man. Before we get any further, make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video. That'd be greatly appreciated, and that help the channel grow. So if you guys have been on the internet for the last about 12 to 14 hours, you've been seeing a lot of people talking about the shock drop over the Bred 4s right here, which is true, man. It's coming this week from what we are hearing. Again, I always have to put this out there. Nike can instantly change up if they wanted to. They can be like, you know what, we ain't gonna do a shock drop, or we're gonna push it this day, that day. We have seen that in the past where Nike just probably will change a day because they might see people putting out the information, but I don't think they will ever change their shock drop due to the fact that they let people know on the Nike sneakers app 15 minutes before. They still call it a shock drop, but the sneakers are still releasing. So I don't think us knowing, like YouTubers or bloggers on Instagram and Twitter and stuff like that, I don't think them seeing us knowing will make them change the date. So I would anticipate, and I will put my money on that shock drop happening this week. I know a lot of people been talking about it happening Thursday, which I don't know for sure if it's gonna happen Thursday. I don't know the date at all, but I do know it is happening this week. We got the stock numbers. A bunch of pairs will be dropping on this shock drop. I didn't get the official number, but it is a lot of pairs that will be dropping on this shock drop. But the reason why I said it won't happen Thursday, or why I wouldn't think it would happen Thursday, is because it is 3 other releases that day. 3 major releases, I would say, from Nike. And I don't see them, foreshadowing those 3 sneakers for the Air Jordan 4 Breds. I think that kind of mess up their money at the end of the day. So I would bank on it happening either Tuesday, which is tomorrow, or Wednesday for the shock drop. That's just my assumptions. I ain't saying that's solid information, but just due to the fact that it is a bunch of releases happening on Thursday, that it do push this one a little bit earlier within Tuesday or Wednesday time frame. But hey, it could happen Thursday, who knows? And just know when that date does get floated around there, you will definitely know. Everybody will be saying the same date, because we pretty much all get the information around the same day, around the same different cook groups, Discord groups, and stuff like that put the information out there. It's not one solid person that gives this information. Now, I want to put that out to you guys as well, because people think that there's only one person or this group that has all the information, knows everything. But trust me guys, it is plenty of people that have the same information floating around, all different places: Instagram, Twitter, Discord, YouTube. There's a lot of different people that know a lot of things that happens in the sneaker community. So please don't let that go misunderstood, bro. Just know when you see that date floating around, when you see these information getting pushed out and stuff like that, we all know. I'm super interested in seeing how this shock drop does go, due to the fact that it is a couple of weeks before the drop. These released on the 17th, if I'm not mistaken. So you do got about 2.5 weeks before this drop right here. But within those 2.5 weeks, we still have eggplants. We still have Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivories, which are super crisp in my opinion. So we're gonna see how this shock drop does go. But right now I'm stamping it, bruh. Definitely the sneaker of the year in my opinion. And the only thing I might have a little bit of fight with this one is the military blue 4. So as soon as we get all the details ironed out, the date, the time, and all that good stuff, man, I will be coming up on YouTube, maybe in the form of YouTube short, or even going live on YouTube, letting you guys know, so I get some interaction with you guys. I wish I could have seen the comments yesterday's video. Y'all didn't listen, y'all weren't watching. All I was trying to tell y'all is that we had nothing confirmed as of yet, but now we do have a lot more information about the shock drop happening this week. I appreciate all the support, man. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. We'll be doing a full reviewing on feet over the Bred Air Jordan 4s very, very soon. And I might even throw them on feet right now, show you guys what these things hitting for. And if you guys know the date, you know the time of what's going on with these Bred 4s, man, go ahead and comment down below. I will pin it and let the whole Vintage Squad know what's going on. Again, thanks for tuning in. I love y'all. And all this being said, man, your boy Da Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.